Hello people, I hope you're all having a really nice day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my income that I've earned through KDP throughout the month of October 2020. So if you're new here, then I want to extend my warmest welcome to you. My name is Ben and I like to bring out videos like this on my self-publishing journey and all the hints, tips and tricks that follow. So be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and be sure to hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I bring out new videos like this. And of course, if you're not part of the Facebook group yet, then I strongly recommend you join that. It's just in the top right of my channel. Click on that and you'll be welcomed into a community of nearly 1,000 self-publishers. And guys, you know what it is as well, the Royalty Accelerator course. I couldn't recommend this enough. Another great community of self-publishers, a lot of success stories in here, and a really solid course teaching people how to make a lot more money through their publishing business. You can just see the amount of testimonials down there. So really great course, couldn't recommend it enough. Everything's linked in the description below, so be sure to check it out. There's a 20% discount on this course, so go get it while you can. But guys, without further ado, let's jump into the topic of this video. So guys, here it is, my October 2020 income report. Just before I start with this video, I just want to say that I make these income report videos for inspirational and for insightful purposes only. I don't mean to brag or anything with it. I just want to show you what is possible with low and no content publishing and some of the outgoings you can expect along the way. So let's start off with those outgoings. So these are everything to do with Amazon ads. This is everything in its home currency. I advertise in 7 different countries. I don't advertise in Amazon Australia as it is. I can show you the ACOSs of each of those advertising platforms. So let's have a look at Canada first. So as you can see, this is for October 2020. We got a spend of 122 for 667 in sales, and that's a decent ACOS of 18.4%. You can see that everything's on the rise. I added a lot more ads towards the end of October, and it got a little bit hazy there. It's doing a little bit better now in November, but you can see the ACOS went a bit out of control. So I've been keeping my eye on that, guys. Don't worry. We've got our US ads as well. So this I'm really happy about. 17.38% ACOS. I said it in one of my previous videos, but I said that I would be happy with an ACOS of under 20%. That would be pretty awesome. And we're doing 17.38, so we're on top of that at the moment. And our spend isn't so bad as well, just under $500 spend, although I do anticipate more going into November and December. And likewise with the UK again, tip-top ACOS. Spend of £362, and our target for the UK was under 15% ACOS, so it's a little bit close to that, but it's still going pretty well. Here's Australia's as well. There's no metrics available for the previous month. So there it is, guys. I don't want to waste your time with the EU ones. There's quite a few of those, so we'll just snap out of that, and we've written it all down here anyway, so we'll calculate what all that is. So if you put everything into dollars, using the most current exchange rates, you can see that it comes to a total of $1,341. Now, I'm no tax expert, so I just assume the highest possible amount of 20% VAT across all marketplaces. Now, I know this differs. I know in the UK and the US it's definitely 20%, but I don't know about Canada or the EU. So I'm just assuming 20% VAT for the ease of this video, and that would give us a total of $1,609 in spend on ads. Now, the other spend comes from the freelancers or the employees that I have. That totals $540. Then there's extras for some of the software that I use to create my books, including Helium 10 as well, which I use for niche and keyword research. Is a really good tool. We've got Creative Fabrica, Canva, and Adobe Creative Cloud, all really good tools for helping create our books. So that brings a total cost of $700 from all our other costs, and that brings our total to around $2,300. Now, if we have a look at what I earned, we can go up here. So we can see that through KDP reports, we've earned $4,908.18 in the month of October, which is really good. If we have a look on book reports as well for the last month, it's showing a bit more of a conservative number of 4,833, and that's just a difference in their predictions of the forex rate between the pound and the dollar and all the other currencies, I believe. So you can see at the moment we've got 1,760 books. I've got about 50 in review now, guys. So there's absolutely tons that still need to go on the marketplace. It looks like I'm not publishing that much, but I really am. It's just taking a while for Amazon to put it through. So there's that. If we scroll down, we can see that I had one day which was less than 100. It was here at 88. That was my lowest day. And there's been a steady increase. I think if you drew a line, it looks like it's going in the right direction anyway, I suppose. The highest day was this one. I think that was my second best day on KDP. $332, October the 29th. A day to go down in history, guys. It's the start of something good. I can see a general uptrend, so I'm really hopeful for November and December. I will do another video on my predictions for what I want to do in December and my daily upload schedule. So I'll probably make a prediction of hopefully 7,000 in November. But yeah, guys, that's what it's been like for this month. If we scroll down to marketplace, we can see that the majority of my sales by a small margin has been the UK, followed by the USA, and quite a bit from Germany actually. So that's actually really, really nice to see. Nice to know that I'm breaking the language barrier a bit. So if we go back to our totals, then $2,309 was our total costs. Our total royalty was somewhere between $4,833 and $4,908, leaving us with a net profit of $2,524 to $2,598, which I'm really, really happy about. That's a nice bit of money to reinvest back into the business, outsourcing some more things, some more books that I really need up on the Amazon marketplace before Christmas falls. So yeah, all in all, very, very nice month. Congratulations to everyone out there as well. I've seen some really, really good numbers coming in. A lot of people are seeing a lot of increases. Congratulations to a lot of people from the Residual Royalty Academy as well. They've seen some huge numbers and they're all posting on there. So I tip my hats off to all of you, and just keep on going, guys. It's only up from here until December now, so hope to see you all at the top. Thank you so much for watching this video as well. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video next Monday, guys. Take care and have a good day.